Oh goody! Wow, a new update already? How generous! I guess I should probably go mining then. Oh, what? Yeah, green triangle. This wall is just grey. And, oh, now there's some high-tech LEDs everywhere. Hey, they fixed this. Now you actually go in there, but what's happening over there? Is there like a gap? No. There's just lighting engine, sun beam. Go back, at least. Yes. Look how laggy I am right now. It's because I'm in a room. And when you're in a room, you lag. Like, a lot. See, I'm in a room. It's a room that might be full. One. Alright, now, we're in a room that can't authenticate. Basically the same thing. Offline room, basically. Yeah, you can't take stuff out of here. All this garbage that I have. Like, I have a PlayStation 4. Call it Time Bomb. That's basically a PlayStation 4. Can we buy stuff? No, you can't buy stuff. Okay, can we use this? No, we can't actually grab anything. Hello, mystery room. Wasn't there a green screen here? I think so. Oh, there's also nothing here. Wow. The hole's back. They literally just removed it and now it's here again. We'll have a later look at that. After the... Yep, this looks normal. Nah, it's just it not loading because I'm too far away. Oh, about that being normal, now they've got the blue. They've upgraded to blue LED lights. High tech indeed. Alright, well, back to the hole. They brought it back to hell because I think that does it still send you to hell? Maybe they patched that and brought the hole back. No, we die. Okay, so they patched the bit where you go to hell when you fall down this crack, but it's there again. It was lagging here. As soon as you get out, it's... Oh, bye-bye, selly machine. Where's the sell machine gone? Not here, I guess. Oh, but you can buy bait, that's nice.